Hiccup was a revolutionary. He was literally in the process of starting a new age in which humans and dragons would live together in harmony. Not only in Burp, but the entire world. But then the third movie shut all that down. The previous movies were all about Hiccup showing the world that there was a better way to live. It wasn't just about humans and dragons not killing each other, it was also about the way dragons could help them improve their lives. You could see the drastic change in Burp from the first to the second movie. From a life of brutal, constant fear of death to a life of prosperous coexistence. The radical change in transportation alone truly improved the way they could see the world. No longer stuck in their frozen corner of the world. Hiccup would have gone down as the greatest person in history, but instead, the third movie gave us an out-of-nowhere bittersweet farewell. It wasn't a bad movie, it just felt like it didn't get the ending it deserved. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments.